So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. Wait for this to load. If you get this, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. If it manages to identify the problem, it will tell you. Then you can follow the steps, or it would have already fixed it for you by now. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth and click on enter again. You now want to run this final scan as well. And then once that's been done, you now want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.